So today we are going to have our Igbo lesson. Igbo lesson is very important. Why? Because Igbo people happens to be one of the most travelers in the whole West Africa. In fact, I would say the whole Africa. They travel like as a hobby. They travel like a lifestyle. I am among. Even as I talk now, I live in Germany. And I struggle to teach my kids my own language. It's no more a joking matter. So I'm now serious, not only to teach my kids and to extend this lesson. Wherever you are, if you think Igbo is hard to learn, stick with this channel. I will make you speak Igbo effortlessly. Yes. Subscribe, share, comment, and let me know you are interested. Today I bring you what I will call the common Igbo phrases we use frequently. And stay tuned and let's dig out some of them. I will run this one on question and answer. Sometimes people are confused because we have dialects in Igbo. We have tribes, and most of the popular one like Imo, Enugu, Anambra, and these are different dialects, even though we hear each other, but they are different in pronunciation. In fact, this channel is only Igbo concern issues. So if you want to understand our culture, if you want to understand our language, this channel will take you to the right place. So let's do it. We start with this one. Oginì nemegi. Oginì nemegi. What is happening to you? What is happening to you? Oginì nemegi. And the response will be isi na wam. Isi na wam. Meaning in English, I am having headache. I am having headache. We go to the next one. Inwere ego. Money is ego. Inwere ego. In Igbo people's life, there is nothing respected like money. You know, we respect a lot of things, but money, if you don't have money, you look like someone that is cursed. You should be able to do some necessary things, some needful things around you. Let's go. Inwere ego, meaning, do you have money? Enwerem. Enwerem. In Igbo language is simply yes. Yes, I have. Yes, I have. We can say or eye. Eye enwerem. Eye enwerem. Yes, I have. Oginị na-eme ndị na-achị achị. I repeat. Oginị na-eme ndị na-achị achị. What is it's supposed to be is. What is happening to the leaders? What is happening to the leaders? And the response will be oke ọchịchọ na-eme ha. Oke ọchịchọ na-eme ha. Greed is their problem. Greed is their problem. This question came up because of previous issues in Nigeria. Right now, the masses don't understand their leaders anymore. So, and someone might wish to know such kind of question. What is really happening to our leaders? You see, so if you want to say it in Igbo, Oginị na-eme ndị na-achị achị. what is happening to the leaders. Yeah. Then response will be oke ọchịchọ na-eme ha. Oke ọchịchọ na-eme ha. Greed is their problem. Onye nwe uwea. Onye nwe uwea. Very important. Onye nwe uwea. Onye nwe uwea. Who owns this cloth? Who owns this cloth? So if you watched me, you will discover the body language. Onye nwe uwea. It's just kind of very difficult in some area, because I remember my son, demonstrating this recently. I was laughing. Onye nwe uwea. Who owns this clothes? The response would be ọ bụ nke nwa m nwoke. Ọ bụ nke nwa m nwoke. Or nwa m nwoke. Ọ bụ nke nwa m nwoke. It belonged to my son. It belonged to my son. Next, ị ga-eso m gaa ịgba ọsọ. Ị ga-eso m gaa ịgba ọsọ. Some will say je gba ọsọ. Ị ga-eso m je gba ọsọ. Will you go to race with me? Mba. The response will be mba. Ike adịghị m. Mba. Ike adịghị m. No. I am tired. If someone asks you if you go jogging or running with him or her, you probably will say no or yes. So in Igbo, mba means no. Eye or e means yes. Next, ima ekpe ekpere. Ima ekpe ekpere. Do you know how to pray? Ima ekpe ekpere. Ima ekpe ekpere. Do you know how to pray? The response will be Kamwa. Kamwa. English will be let me try. Let me try. So this question is important for some of us who are religious. And if you want to ask someone, before you tell someone to pray, you better ask him or her, do you know how to pray? Because it's kind of embarrassing. You lead us in prayer and you'll be looking like Luke said. It's funny, but it's an issue. So you better ask the person first. There is one struggle at this point where you will say be. Some people find it difficult to say be. Bo. Be. So since I have decided to always make it short, let's continue to learn Igbo. I'll be here for you. I will do my best. I'll bring all that I know that will make you speak Igbo. And I'm ready to also teach other dialects in Igbo. So check it out and let's rock Igbo language class together. Thank you and see you in our next video. Continue to check on us, subscribe, like and share. Please comment down below. There I will know your question. Throw any topic you want me to do. I will be glad. I will do it under your request. Yeah. Bye.